Hello, everyone. Welcome to our chemistry lab. Today we're going to learn about two concepts that many students confuse: boiling and evaporation. Sir, I always thought they were exactly the same because both change water into vapor. That's a common misconception. By the end of today's lesson, you'll clearly understand the difference. Let's start with evaporation. Evaporation is the process in which a liquid changes into gas from its surface. Does evaporation happen only when the water becomes very hot? No, that's the interesting part. Evaporation can occur at any temperature, even at room temperature. So that's why wet clothes dry even on a cool day? Exactly. That's one of the best everyday examples of evaporation. Now let's observe boiling. As we heat the water, its temperature keeps increasing. I can see bubbles forming everywhere. Correct. When water reaches its boiling point of 100 degrees Celsius, it starts boiling. So boiling happens throughout the entire liquid? Exactly. Unlike evaporation, boiling occurs throughout the liquid, not just at the surface.